last day of the ISC Videoblog with the real-life value of HPC. And I'm here with Steve Convey from IDC and Jack Wells from Oak Ridge, who were just in a session discussing the topic. So, Jack, what were your impressions of the session? What were your personal highlights from it?
I listened to two talks, one on weather prediction from Matteo Swiss, and also one from scientists from Shell Oil Research on exploration for petrochemicals. They're both good examples of real-world impacts. They certainly are first-class applications on leadership computing facilities today, stressing our systems, but also delivering good results. So I think those were two great examples for the program committee to select, and they highlighted the challenges and the solutions, I think, that are being achieved.
Thank you, Jack. So, Steve, what were your personal impressions of the session?
The biggest one for me was a speaker talking about a hospital that was helping to cure children with genetic diseases and having a very good track record depending on HPC.
I'm here with TAISUKE BOKU from the University of TSUKUBA after the conference session HPC in Asia. So TAISUKE, can you tell me a little bit about the outcome of the session, summarize the session a little bit for us?
Sure. So we had in this morning a very successful session named HPC in Asia. This is a continuous series of the session in the ISC meeting. And this year we have 7 countries status report. They're all very good and summary of each country's HPC activity and research and development. And also we have 3 of very excellent scientific talk. Each of them are done on the world leading machine like a K-computer or a Tianhe 2 for their very interesting scientific result. And also this year we have 24 of poster presentations, and finally we selected 2 of them as the best poster award winners. So this time's the session is really interesting and meaningful, I think, and we could successfully provide a very important message and information to the world.
With a very fast-paced analyst crossfire session, ISC'14 is drawing to a close. Happy SITHOLE from the Center of High Performance Computing in South Africa is with me now, and he's going to summarize the outcomes of the session. Happy, can you give me your main takeaways from the analyst crossfire?
I think the analyst crossfire addresses most of the challenges that we see in high-performance computing industry. I think issues of is HPC's future still there? That has been addressed, and both from industry and from the user perspective, they don't see any big competition from cloud taking away HPC. So that's good. And I think also the other issue that there's still a need for skills within HPC was addressed from the industry side, and also, you know, not being really answered from traditional HPC side, but at least it shows that we still have got work to do. I think the other thing which was quite important in this case was the drivers of social media in HPC. Industry and both users don't see that driving that. I still have got my suspicion. I think that IBM's contribution with PowerPC and Google might be interesting. Yeah, and I think also the conclusion on what is missing on the conference, I think the point of Hans Meyer not being here, everybody's feeling it. We all feel as if there were very few people at this conference, but it was because of him not being here.
Thank you very much, Happy. We're saying goodbye for this year, and we hope to see you again next year in Frankfurt for ISC'15.
think ISC is the premier event in Europe for HPC, and it should be dominated by scientific applications, and the best we can find in high-performance supercomputing. So we hope to bring this to Frankfurt. Frankfurt is in the center of Germany. It's well reachable through its airport, so we hope to have many people and a good attendance there next year.